Hey Tina, how are you?
I'm so good, how are you?
I'm just so glad it's finally summer.
Oh, of course.
So what do we got here today?
Today we have our favorite POOLIFE products. When you buy your standard sanitizing products that you need for your regular maintenance, don't forget guys, you get that $20 rebate, and that's only till the end of the month.
Awesome, so POOLIFE has a $20 rebate ending this month, and then we also still have some Bakusil and Bakuspa rebates when you come and buy chemicals from that as well. Also, what else do we have here?
Oh, well I'm so glad you asked. When you're coming into the store buying your standard products, when you spend $100, which I know is pretty easy to do, you get this underwater camera. Woo! Very fun.
For free?
For free.
Oh my God.
For free. And when you do that, submit your favorite pool time photos to our Facebook page so you can enter the chance to win a fantastic prize.
So there's more prizes, so of course there is more. So you'll spend $100 with us on your favorite POOLIFE chemicals or Bakuspa, Bakusil, and you get a free underwater camera. And then you'll take some photos, some fun videos in your pool, underwater, having fun. And then starting July 1st, there's a contest with this. So you post your photo on Facebook and tag us. And then you also tag POOLIFE, which I'll put their handle in the post so you have the right page. And then they will start picking the favorite photos, and grand prizes, there's 3 prizes. They can do up to $150 gift card, $250 gift card, and a $500 gift card for a chance to win. So I think that's awesome. So
yeah.
Free camera and a chance to win some more money, and your pool's gonna be nice and clean. I think it's a great start to summer, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely perfect for the start of July.
Party season, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys this weekend. Bye.